A surrogate's court judge just made a decision in your case. Maybe you lost. Maybe you won and now the other side is appealing. No matter which side you are on, you need an attorney who handles surrogate's court appeals. I am Albert Goodwin, an estate litigation attorney in New York City. Our firm handles surrogate's court appeals across all 5 boroughs and the surrounding areas. We represent both appellants and respondents. The most important deadline in the entire process is the 30-day deadline to file a notice of appeal. That clock starts when you are served with a copy of the judgment or order along with a notice of entry. In surrogate's court, entry often happens at the same time the judgment is issued, so do not wait. Miss this deadline and you may lose your right to appeal entirely. Filing the notice of appeal is just the first step. After that, the appellant needs to perfect the appeal. That means assembling the record on appeal and filing your brief. The record includes the judgment, the relevant pleadings and orders, transcripts if hearings took place, and exhibits the judge relied on. The brief contains the legal arguments and must be filed within 6 months of the notice of appeal. The respondent's brief must be filed within 30 days from the date of service of the appellant's record and briefs. The appellate court does not hold a new trial. It reviews the existing record. The main grounds for appeal are error of law, lack of evidence, abuse of discretion, and improper procedure. Many decisions involve mixed questions of law and fact. For the appellant, it is important to raise every possible ground because the appellate court can review the full record and may reach a different conclusion based on the same evidence. Filing an appeal does not automatically stop the lower court's decision from taking effect. If the appellant needs the ruling paused while the appeal is pending, they may need to seek a stay or a temporary restraining order. If you are dealing with an appeal from a surrogate's court decision, you need an experienced appellate attorney. Preparing a brief requires legal analysis, legal writing skill, and familiarity with the court's formatting requirements. An attorney who regularly practices in both the surrogate's courts and the appellate divisions is better equipped to handle these appeals. If you need to appeal a surrogate's court decision or respond to someone else's appeal, call our office at 212-233-1233. When you call during business hours, you reach me directly. I am Albert Goodwin, and I personally handle every case at our firm. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and follow us for more interesting videos on estate law and appeals.